Hi all, this is Dr. J streaming live from Long Island, New York with a preview of the markets on 5/9/2019. Reason I'm coming to is I'm a little disturbed by the market action in the futures. And I want to let you know what my key turning points are, possible points of possible endpoints for this correction. Let's look at it that way. So let's get right to it. And possible support levels. We're going to look at the Dow Jones Industrial Averages, and we're going to look at the spiders, SPY. Okay, hope you can see everything fine. Let's look at the spiders first. With 6 minutes left before the opening bell, we see yesterday's daily, where the spiders, SPY, closed below the key support level. And that's a bad omen. The futures are down about 30, last I looked. So I think we're going to be opening right at the 50-day moving average. And if that holds, great. We'll have a turnaround day right from the gong. That's a possibility here. But if it goes below the 50-day, I see it going to a key level right above the low of March 25th, which is 278. So I'm looking for a drop to 278 before this all turns around. And it's possible we go even lower. Another key support level is the low of March 8th, which is 272.42. So in the worst case, I think the worst case would be to drop all the way down here before we end this correction. That would be about 7% off the top. So that would be the worst case. I'm not expecting that. I'm actually hoping that it does bounce off of these averages. It finds support right here, turns it around and opens at the lows of the day. That would be really great. I've seen that happen before. Why not happen again? But on the other hand, if it goes below that 50-day, I think we're heading on down lower to the 277 level. On the Dow, I thought we might be out of the woods, but I said we're not out of the woods until we take this high out on April 23rd. That didn't happen. We didn't take that high out. So when we got this doji here, I was happy to see a couple of higher closing days, but this gravestone doji is poison to the Dow. It seems whenever it comes up, we get a little correction. And now we definitely are correcting. We're below the 50-day, and it looks like we could correct to this level at the low of the day on March 25th, same as the S&P, 25,372, which would be about a 1,200 point correction, which is a little, I was calling for maybe 1,000 if it corrects. Well, 1,200 is close. So that would be my target. I think the March 25th lows will hold on both the Dow and the S&P. So that's where I'm at in my thinking. Of course, to your own due diligence, my opinions are strictly my own and do not constitute investment advice. Please consult with an investment advisor before acting on any of my ideas. Dr. J has some great ideas, but I also have some clunkers. Please share this blog by sharing the link with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks very much. See you later in the day. We'll see you tomorrow morning. We'll see you tonight. I kind of publish these vlogs when the spirit moves me. So I'm not sure when that'll be again. It's a question of nice weather interfering with my vlogging. And today in Long Island, it's cold, but I think it'll be a nice day. I have things to do, so I don't know when I can get back to you guys. So I took this opportunity at the morning gone, before the morning gone, to say hi. And now I'm going to say shalom, au revoir, djia. Hasta mañana. Don't forget to subscribe.